Hi, my name is Bob Goldschneider. I work for CyberWorks. You know, most people fight change. It's tough, but there are times when it's also very necessary. And that is what we'll talk about today. Specifically, when should you consider switching to a different learning system software application? Here are some of my thoughts. When the application is no longer flexible enough, it's time to switch when an application can no longer meet your company's needs. For example, many learning systems set status dates automatically and do not allow company administrators to change them manually. When the company provides poor customer services. Sometimes it's hard to get a learning system software provider to return your calls. And the larger learning system software suppliers may not want to spend time customizing your system, unless you are willing to spend significant amounts of money. So when the phone line starts to ice up, it's time to look around. When the application is no longer supported, a few years back, many PathLore LMS customers had to scramble after PathLore was purchased by SumTotal Systems. They had good reason to do so. SumTotal eventually stopped supporting the PathLore product. And PathLore customers who do not want to move to SumTotal's own application had to find other systems. When the application is old and dated, if it runs old technology or outdated standards, it will be difficult to integrate with your company's newer servers and business applications. Sometimes an application is no longer technologically viable. When there is no e-commerce functionality. Today, many companies want to sell product training as a value-added service to their vendors and distributors. So e-commerce functionality may be important. The ability to use purchase orders, perform product bundling, offer sales promotions, generate robust sales reports, perform transactions in different currencies, provide a discount model, may become critical enough to switch systems. When data migration is difficult, some out-of-the-box or software-as-a-service low-cost learning systems don't support customized data migration. And as your company expands and changes, you may eventually hit a systems integration wall with your current application. And when you decide the time is right to switch, always make sure that your current courseware will work in the new application before you implement or even purchase it. And if a provider doesn't let you do that, look elsewhere.